Namaste everyone, my name is Viru, and in this video course I'm going to teach you how to use this amazing yoga prop. This is called yoga wheel, and you can use this wheel in many ways for the forward bend, back bend, and the arm balancing, core strength, even for handstand. So here we begin. Now look at the next posture. It is called Revolved Janu Sirsasana. So first we will do Revolved Janu Sirsasana without wheel. So what you're going to do, extend your legs out and bend your left knee. So my right leg is your left leg and your right leg out. So according to your capacity, maybe your leg is 65 degree or 85 or all the way 90 degree angle. So listen to your body. So from here, adjust your sitting bones and your right elbow front of your knee, like this, and push your left knee down. So this is stretch good for the hamstring. Must paying attention toward the sitting bone, and as you lean toward the side, you might feel a stretch here in your obliques and your back muscles, and then stretch your left arm over the ear. If you are super flexible, maybe try to catch your toe, grab your foot, and rotate your chest toward the ceiling. Notice the sense of a stretch your side, your obliques and your back muscles, and must paying attention toward your sitting bone and your knee. Do not bend your knee. Okay, so stretch both sides, and then we are going to increase the difficulty level. So now we are going to use this yoga wheel. So again, this little arch above the heel, below the cuff, place on your wheel like this, not your cuff. Okay, like this. And again, your wheel is not stable, so you have sense of balance, so keep the weight in the center. Now because of your foot is quite high, some of you, those who have tight hamstring, you might notice you are not able to touching your sitting bone. So the first goal is your hands behind and try to touch your right sitting bone down to your mat. That's the first goal. Now once you're able to touch your sitting bone down, next your elbow is coming front of your knee. So you might feel here is more stable, your right leg. Then slowly your right elbow down, and then from here start rotating your chest. So again, notice your hamstring, your sitting bone, and target your obliques. If you can, stretch your arm over the ear and grab your foot. Rotate your chest toward the ceiling. Hold as long you can, and then slowly come back. Then your leg down. Then other side. So make sure same degree of angle, 85 degrees, 65, it's really up to you. So from here, sense your sitting bone first. Make sure your knee straight, elbow down. Sometimes you can feel one side is easier than other side. Rotate your chest and grab your foot. It's a wonderful stretch your obliques, your side muscles, your back. Hold as long you can and then back. So now look at the next posture.